In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce photo size on iPhone. So first thing we need to do is let's head on over to the settings and head on over to camera. So let's look for the camera and let's head on over to the formats. So in order for you to have a lower photo quality, click on high efficiency. So this reduces the file size and captures photos and videos in the highest efficiency format. So you can also make sure that Apple ProRAW is turned off and Apple ProRes is turned off. So uh, next thing we need to do is, if you have a photo that is already taken and it still needs to be compressed, you need to download the app Compress. So once you need once you've downloaded the app, just head on over to the select photos to compress and click on a photo that you want to compress. So as an example, we'll be choosing a random example right here. Click on next and choose the photo quality right here. So you can reduce the photo quality and you can also reduce the photo dimensions. So once you've done that, just click on compress and it will compress. Once we've waited for the ad, just press skip and it will compress your photo. So now just click on keep original and it will keep the original photo for you. So that's about it. That's how to reduce photo size on iPhone. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.